Let me tell you first that I've been around. I've been a bouncer for many, many years. Bang, bang, bang. It's a street fight. Never look away from your opponent. Look, sir, I really don't want anything of this. And I go, whoop, like this, and I slit your throat, and it's over and out. Everybody underestimates the kick in the groin. Boom, that's the first thing to do. I follow up, bang, bang, bang. Right away after that, dang. See what I'm doing? Boom, that's the left elbow right there. I can also deliver, bang, headbutt out of nothing. Boom, the right elbow, bang, right straight. Maybe now the headbutt comes. Knee to the face. And look what we got here. Smack his face. Smack his face. Create distance and grab a chair. You can slam it into his face. You can stab with it. And while I throw it at him, I will kick him in the groin. Boom, right straight. Going to bounce his head on the table 10 times or something. Don't you ever do this. Right away you say, okay, I'm sorry. Bang, bang, bang. No, I'm not. And he comes in. Boom, front kick. Boom, boom. Simultaneously, the elbow in the head. Grab his wrist. Grab your own wrist and bend his arm. I control him, you see? Knee in the head. I can bounce him against the wall. Everything I want to do. We grab, but just to make sure, we grab this arm also. Now we're in total control. He tried to kill me, so I got to return the favor. I step underneath here, and now I'm controlling him with my head, and I can stab his own knife here in the liver. Stab in the liver. Watch. I'm grabbing the inside of his hand like this. 1, 2. Support his elbow. I can, of course, kick him in the head. I can put my knee on and break the arm. Never, ever let him take that choke. Because if you're out, God knows what they're going to do with you. He's choking me and he's going to lift me up. Oh, I'm loose. Okay. 1. Kick to the knees. Or maybe a heel to the balls. Heel to the balls, and I can lean forward, and go back with a headbutt to the head. Kick to the leg, heel to the groin, all the way go like this, and come back with a headbutt to the side. Somebody's telling me that about my wife. I'm sorry, sir, but I'm going to break your leg. I grab his toes, and then I'm going to go like that this knee will be shattered. He gets your arm, you break the kick, bang, right straight. Or he grabs it again, go out, bang, left straight. Pushing down as hard as I can. I make a turn, and you see I got an arm bar on him. Boom, kick in the groin, bang, right straight. Wrong move. Don't do that to El Guapo. Block, wrap, boom, strike, boom, elbow. Once he's down, boom, knee to the head. I'm grabbing his arm. It's full power. I hit his wrist. This is a wrist lock right here. I pull it. Ow, ow, ow. Bang, bang, bang. And you know these people, they're talking to you. Something's going to go wrong. And you want to choke the guy out. Support his arm so you can go underneath his armpit like this. And I step in. I grab and I squeeze everything together and watch. He will tap. Grab the heel and extend. And he taps. All the way like this. And he's going to break his leg. If he puts it on and he pulls my head forward, that's powerful. See, I cannot go back. I push up like this. I use the power of my hands. Go to the side, grab his legs, whoop, and now I'm going to land on him. Boom. I broke somebody's ribs. So don't take the kick and grab his leg because he's going to hurt you. He kicks here, whoop, bang, bang. He's defending himself. Bang, bang, I start punching. Now turn in, whang, step to the side. This stretch, punch, whoop, take him down, punch here, kick in the groin, kick to the face. I go to the side, punch, grab his neck this time. Start kneeing down, push him down, step to the side, pull him around, put your leg forward, and now lean backwards And there you have it, the crucifix. Grab his neck this time and start kneeing. Push him down, grab, and grab tight. Like defend. Here, he cannot defend the head. He cannot defend the body. I can bring these as long as I want. Climb on top, start bouncing away, elbowing. You can always go blank. Finish the job. It's starting time again. I start beating, elbowing to the head. That would do it. Hold the leg, kick in the groin, step over, make the leg, break the leg, or kick me in the face. Don't do this. Don't do this. Push the gun here on his hips. Bang! You whoop, whoop. No, bang! I'm gonna start hitting him. Maybe bang, bang, 3 times. All the way, boom! He's stuck. I'm gonna elbow him, bang, bang. Maybe 2, bang, maybe hit him with. On the streets, everything is legal. I don't believe in an eye for an eye. I believe in 2 eyes for an eye. Whoa, that's fucked up. Don't you ever do this.